Hi there, Laurie here, and I have a really special announcement to make. I just came up with this idea a couple of days ago. So I have had the Online Entrepreneur Club now, a coaching club, for 3 years. And the only people who had access to the club were my private clients that I was working with in coaching relationships. And what I realized was I would talk to people and they wouldn't be able to afford my either 3-month or my 6-month program. And you know what I was doing, helping people build their funnels and do their Facebook ads and actually tap into what top earners have been doing for years and years to grow their business. And so what I decided to do was open up the club to everybody at an affordable rate so that you don't have to miss out on learning these skills. These skills can, bring you to 6 figures and way beyond, just like they did for me. And so what I decided to do was open up the club to everybody. It's $67 a month, and we have weekly coaching webinars, just like my other trainings, very similar. If you've been on my trainings, you know that they're all go-to-webinars, and I share my screen, and I give specific hands-on one-on-one help that's specific to your business to everybody that I coach. And in addition, with massive, hopefully no-brainer bonuses for you, not only will you get the coaching every single week, but you're going to get my funnel trainings that only my private clients have been able to get in the past. And Sales Funnel Solution, I have always sold for $19.97, that's $2,000. It's about 20 trainings for how to go through the 5-step formula, click by click, step by step, how to build your funnel. And with the coaching club together, it ensures that you aren't going to get lost. You're not going to get confused. You're not going to get overwhelmed. And when you do, I'm there to help you. So the club is $67 a month. If I can't save you $67 a month in confusion that you don't have, mistakes that you don't make, and lost money in doing that trial and error and trying to figure this out on your own, that would be crazy. So I know that when I first started this, it was really difficult not having someone to help me. I had to have someone help me. And it would be like me trying to build a shed in my backyard by myself. I would need somebody that has carpentry experience and a little plumbing and a little electrician experience. I would not be able to figure it out on my own. And so I want to make this available to as many people as possible and have you all getting the help that you need. So I'll put the link below this video somewhere so that you can get in the club. It's $67 a month right now. It will go up eventually. I'm not sure when, but it will, because the more people that we have in the club, I'm just going to try and make sure it doesn't get too crowded. And if it does grow like I would love it to grow and help as many people as possible, I'll probably be adding more coaching sessions per week in addition to the ones that we'll start off with. So the other thing I'm thinking about too is that maybe I will come up with an affiliate program. So if you recommend the club to your team, then you can make commissions on that. But you can reach out to me about that. I'm not sure I'm going to do it right now. I may do it in the future. We'll see. So in any case, it's affordable for everyone on your team and you. If you're serious about your business, this is something that can really escalate you to build your funnel, have your Facebook ads running, and tap into the 21st century of how to build your business rather than prospecting and going to networking events and chasing people one at a time. So that is the power of having your funnel. So I hope this is going to help you. I am excited for you to be in the club and welcome you into the club and get you into those trainings so that you can have step-by-step and click-by-click how to build your funnel, how to write your Facebook ad, what to put on your fan page, how to attract more people on Facebook. We go over all of those things, all the things I teach all the time. But you'll get much deeper help when you're in the club. So I look forward to seeing you there. And we have our next session early next week. So get in now before the price goes up. And I look forward to welcoming you in to the club.